In order to be a global citizen, it's important to have a well-rounded knowledge on how countries work together. So we're going to look at a couple organizations that work to promote a better global community. Countries, governments, and organizations often work together on global issues. The best known and biggest example is the United Nations, which was created after the Second World War with a mission of maintaining peace and promoting a better future for the world. The United Nations deals with a variety of global issues through agencies. The United Nations is also known as the UN. The United Nations agencies include the Security Council, which is the UN's most powerful body, with the primary responsibility for maintaining international peace and security. Also, there is UNICEF, which protects and defends the rights of every child across 190 countries and regions. And then there is the World Health Organization, whose goal is to build a better, healthier future for people all around the world. The biggest gatherings of the United Nations are the General Assemblies, where world leaders or their representatives gather to discuss issues, negotiate treaties, or to make plans for the future. These events can lead to big changes globally and locally. The UN also has smaller events such as the G8 and G20 forums that involve some of the biggest countries in the world. Additionally, there's the CHOGM, which is where governments of the Commonwealth gather to discuss issues. The Commonwealth is an intergovernmental organization of 53 states that are mostly former territories of the British Empire. Additionally, there are regional meetings which occur in different parts of the world, whereas the Middle East region, the Pacific region, the North America regions will meet together. What do they meet about? Mainly they discuss issues that have an impact across borders, such as issues with security, infectious diseases, the environment, trade, access to food or water, and other financial concerns. There are also some other global organizations that, like the UN, seek to benefit a better world. Two examples of these are Doctors Without Borders and the World Wildlife Fund. Doctors Without Borders works in difficult and dangerous situations to bring health to as many people as possible. And then the World Wildlife Fund works to conserve nature and reduce the most pressing threats of the diversity of life. There are also hundreds of other organizations that have been started by global citizens to better our world, and you will research and discover about one of your choosing.